Welcome to the beautiful kingdom of Corona. Our story begins with a magical golden flower that had the power to heal and restore. The flower was used to save the life of the queen, who was about to have a baby. Soon after, a beautiful princess named Rapunzel was born, and her hair held the magic of the flower. Our little princess is here, safe and sound. But a wicked woman named Mother Gothel wanted the magic for herself. She kidnapped baby Rapunzel and locked her in a hidden tower. Rapunzel grew up in the tower, believing Mother Gothel was her real mother. Every year she watched lanterns float into the sky on her birthday. Rapunzel, singing, "When will my life begin?" Mother Gothel, "You are safe here, Rapunzel. The outside world is dangerous." One day, a thief named Flynn Rider stumbled upon the tower while hiding from the palace guards. Flynn Rider, "Whoa, what's this tower doing here?" Rapunzel saw her chance to explore the world and made a deal with Flynn to take her to see the floating lanterns. Rapunzel, "Take me to see the lanterns, and I'll give you back your satchel." Rapunzel and Flynn set off on an exciting adventure, encountering all sorts of new experiences and making friends along the way. Rapunzel, singing, "I've got a dream." Flynn Rider, "You sure do, Blondie. Let's make it come true." They finally reached the kingdom and saw the floating lanterns. Rapunzel realized she was the lost princess. Rapunzel, singing, "And at last, I see the light." Flynn Rider, "You are the lost princess, Rapunzel." Narrator, Mother Gothel tried to take Rapunzel back to the tower, but Flynn followed them and tried to save her. "You will stay with me forever." Flynn Rider, "Not if I can help it." Flynn cut Rapunzel's hair, breaking its magical power. Mother Gothel turned to dust, and Rapunzel was finally free. Rapunzel, "Flynn, you saved me." Flynn Rider, "I couldn't let you stay trapped." Rapunzel returned to the kingdom, where she was reunited with her real parents, the king and queen. King, "Welcome home, my daughter." Queen, "We missed you so much, Rapunzel." Rapunzel, "I missed you too." The scene shows Rapunzel and Flynn living happily in the kingdom. And so, Rapunzel found her true family and her place in the world. She and Flynn lived happily ever after, proving that dreams really do come true.